Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Paris, but as you can see on my channel, it states Paris Taught You. Today we're going to be answering some questions. I do have a guest with me today, and his name is...
Guest.
What the hell is your name?
Kevin Johnson.
So yeah, me, Kevin Johnson. Who are you to me?
Her baby daddy.
Anyway, let's finish these stories. Let's finish these questions. So the next question is, where/when was our first date?
I say Applebee's.
You keep saying that, but I say...
It was somebody's birthday. Was it your birthday? It was somebody's birthday. We went to Applebee's. It was me, you, I think Kristen.
Did we go to Applebee's?
That was Applebee's.
We went to like...
In Portage?
That was my birthday.
Right.
Oh. Wow.
See, look at you.
Wow. Wow. Okay, yeah, it was Applebee's. Damn, you remember that. Okay. Yeah, it was Applebee's. I actually had my teeth pulled that day, too. I had just turned 18 years old. Who said I love you first?
Cradle. I was 16. Huh?
Yeah, I'm 2 years older than him. Who said I love?
Statutory.
Who said I love you first?
I was vulnerable. I believe
You said who said it first?
I did.
Oh, okay.
I said it first.
Okay.
So, I'm a man. I can express my emotions. Yeah. That's what a man does. P.O.P. Hold it down.
All part of the plan.
Goofy.
Which food do I like/hate?
Which food do you like/hate?
Which food do I like?
Like food or like snacks?
What's my favorite meal?
Your favorite meal? Shit, tacos?
One of them. Or which meal do I hate? Or what's a food?
Salmon.
I'm actually allergic, but okay.
You ain't ever told me you was allergic to salmon.
I'm allergic.
I just thought you didn't like it.
The only thing I can eat is fish. I'm allergic to salmon.
Salmon is fish.
But it's like a different taste. Then I can't eat shrimp. No.
So what foods don't you like then? What meal don't you like?
I don't know.
Exactly.
I can't think of it right now. So anyway, when/where did you meet my parents? You remember when you met my mom?
When I formally met your mama, or you talking about when you was sneaking me in your house before that?
Really? You
Yeah.
used to go to church with us and everything.
That was afterwards though.
You remember meeting my dad?
Yeah, I remember meeting Rodney.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chicago.
At my house.
Yeah. Okay. What's my favorite song right now?
That Nipsey Hussle song.
Double Up. What movie makes me cry?
I didn't know you did cry.
Cold blooded.
I don't know what movie make you cry.
I don't know.
The Color Purple. Titanic.
I don't even know, guys. Titanic does make me cry. Yeah. And Set It Off.
Set It Off makes you cry.
Yeah.
Which part? The part with Cleo.
Yep. And then
well.
the end when they played that song and it was just Jada Pinkett by herself, like. So oh my god. So what is something you wish I didn't do?
Something I wish you didn't do. Wear makeup.
Okay.
When we was younger, I used to take my t-shirts and wipe them on her face just to make sure she didn't have makeup on. Now look at her.
Full face. If I could eat If I could, what candy could I eat all day long?
Candy?
Mhm.
I've never known you to eat candy.
Good answer. I don't like candy, guys. Um, what weird talent do I have?
You could dance.
I can dance.
Yeah. At least you
Seriously?
used to know how to dance.
Oh, you think that's weird that I know how to dance?
It's not weird, but it's weird for you. Because you don't do it no more.
Dang, I can dance. Okay, I didn't know I could dance. No, it's fine. What am I deathly afraid of?
Definitely afraid of me taking your makeup and throwing it away.
I'm not afraid of you doing that.
What else would you be afraid of? Your kids getting hurt?
Yeah.
That's about it.
Somebody snatching them.
Everybody gonna snatch Brianna.
Yeah,
Ain't shit shaking.
I am. Seriously.
Shaking.
What's my nickname?
Shorty Red. Lady,
Shorty Red.
Shorty Red, Shorty P, Lady Red, Lady P. Red. Bunky.
Oh, you clowning. Complete this sentence. My girlfriend is.
Crazy. See the look that you just gave? That right there lets you know.
Seriously.
Talented.
My girlfriend is talented.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Stop faking for the camera. Seriously?
Seriously. You just don't know it.
Who usually wins our arguments?
You, because I just give up.
Take notes, fellas. Take notes. How long do I need in the morning to get ready?
First, you need about 30 minutes to an hour just to get out the bed. First. Yeah, after that, you usually don't take that long. Get in the shower, get your makeup, do your hair. It's not as long as any other female, but
How long?
I ain't never took a stopwatch and said it took you 25 minutes this time.
Not long. So I don't take long. Okay. What's my favorite type of junk food?
Flamin' Hots and pickles. And I drink the pickle juice with Flamin' Hots.
What else did I put you on to?
Oh, cucumbers and vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
Be a hit. Banger.
What's my first job? What was my first job?
Your first official job that you actually worked, or like a job like you hadn't just quit?
I actually worked there for like 3-4 months.
McDonald's.
No, I worked at McDonald's for a very long time.
That's what I'm saying. That was your first one, cause you quit AmeriCall after 3 days.
No, I didn't, Andrew.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
So where you worked in? Cause it was AmeriCall. You only worked there for like 3 days.
No, it was longer than 3 days.
What, you worked there 2 times? Cause that first time you was pregnant and you quit like after 3 days.
Let him tell it, y'all. Okay. What's my weirdest interest?
Your weirdest interest.
I don't think I'm interested in weird things. I
There's
am
some TV
overall
show that
weird.
You watch weird. That's weird.
What?
I don't know the name of it. Something you watch. I don't know. Just like to watch vlogs out there. I think that's weird.
One thing I love doing that most people don't.
Sleep.
Everybody loves to sleep.
No the fuck.
Are you serious?
Sleep is the cousin.
I
of
do
death.
not sleep like that.
Sleep enough. Now, what's something weird that you like to do that other people wouldn't? I don't know.
I don't know.
That's a good one.
I chew my tongue. There's something I do that
I ain't seen you do that since you had your tongue pierced though.
I still do it.
Really?
Yep. What did you learn from me?
What did I learn from you?
Mhm.
As far as what?
Anything. What have I taught you?
You have taught me to be aggressive. Go for what you want. Achieving.
Oh my God! You.
And being patient. You have to have patience dealing with you.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So I'm a lot to deal with.
No, you're not a lot to deal with, but you're not a lot. You're not a lot to deal with, but you have to have things your way.
And you don't?
I mean, I know how to compromise.
I don't know how to compromise.
Yeah, eventually.
Okay. Who is the most organized one in the relationship?
I
Don't think
think it's me.
about lying.
I think it's me, but you know, it's
I
her.
think more so probably in life. He's probably like more by the books, and I'm like all over the place. But as far as in like being clean, I'm more organized. I clean way more than he do.
I'm more of the hey, clean that up. And yeah, I'm not gonna clean it. That's dirty. You want to clean it for me?
No. No, hell no. What celebrity would I love to meet the most?
Nelly, or that one light skinned actor dude.
Shemai Moore.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all the questions. Do you have any questions for me?
Um, what's a hobby that I like?
A hobby?
Yeah.
I can't say it on camera.
What? Gotta live. Dab at it. You can't do this just for fun. You heard me?
I would say doing cutting hair, but that's like a career.
It's a career if it's your hobby, because the job is doing something that you don't love, but you have to do it. A career is something that you love to do, that you could do without getting paid. So I guess that is a hobby.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, cutting hair.
What's my favorite meal?
Well, I thought it was fish and spaghetti, but
Fish and spaghetti. No.
um,
You never even seen me eat spaghetti.
I don't know, steak and potatoes.
Bingo.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That's like low key my favorite too. But I like it all mixed in one. You probably like it separate.
Steak and potatoes mixed together.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Oh, we
Never
gotta
seen
make
it.
it there.
Nah, just give me a steak and 2 baked potatoes, please and thank you.
That's me and Breon's favorite meal to make. That's his favorite meal. Steak, potatoes. It has to be a loaded potato. Salad, corn on the cob. Any more questions? I don't like that you're cold. You have to be a little more,
What, I'm nonchalant?
I guess that's what you want to call it. You just cold.
Are you
You
trying
know?
to tell me that I'm inconsiderate towards other people's feelings? Is that what you're trying to say to me?
Stop sounding like a fucking social worker. But yeah, you can be like that.
Be like that sometimes.
So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, please comment down below. You can also hit me up on Instagram. You can also hit me up on Instagram. Be sure to follow all my social media. You want them to follow you?
Nah, y'all ain't got to.
I'll leave his information listed down below too if you guys want to follow him. Don't try me though. But yeah, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to thumbs up this video if you want more videos with him in it. And what do I always say in my videos?
Paris taught you.
Don't forget to wait, pray, and slay the day.
Wait, pray, and slay the day.
Yes.
It's pretty cool.
Thanks so much for watching. Toodles. Say toodles.
Boom. Blow it
So
up.
lame.